we do need more fresh food markets that aren't, because they generally turn into, like you said, hot food markets, don't they? Because they find it very difficult to make any money out of fresh produce, because it's not really in the British kind of mindset to go to a fresh food market to buy produce for the week. They always go to the supermarket.
Yeah, definitely.
So until you kind of change that, it's very difficult.
And I think boroughs sort of turned into sort of tourist attraction as well.
Oh yeah,
they?
completely.
And so now it's like, it's even harder for people selling fresh produce. Because you've got all these people looking around and eating, you know, having your tasters,
but
then going and buying something, you know, ready-made, you know, Scotch egg or whatever, rather than...
Yeah, and then you pay premium prices. So it's cheaper to go to a supermarket. Obviously the quality is not as good, but then because it's become a tourist attraction, everyone just hikes up the price.